welcome back to Cooking Confidently. Today I have a super delicious, healthy treat on the menu for you guys that I can't wait to show you. One of my bestest friends got me this cookbook for my birthday, and you know your girl loves treats, and this has quite a few treat recipes in it, so I was like, perfect, let's do that for my video this week. So that is exactly what I'm going to be doing, and what I'm going to be making for you guys is zucchini almond butter blondies with chocolate chips, of course. So let's go ahead and jump right in. To get started, we are going to take 1 cup of almond butter. After the almond butter, we're going to take 1 egg. After our egg, we're going to take half a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. Then, of course, we have our half a cup of coconut sugar, half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Now this, I'm going to mix all together before I add the zucchini and the chocolate chips. Doesn't take long once you get it all mixed together. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grate my zucchini right on in. Now that my zucchini is in there, I'm just gonna go ahead and mix that in. And of course, can't forget the chocolate chips. So you're gonna want about a half a cup in there. But you can just eyeball it if you want to. Mix it again, once again. All right, and so for our final step, I'm just going to pour my batter into my pan, and we're going to bake this at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Then you're just gonna wanna go ahead and spread that out evenly. And it never hurts to add a couple more chocolate chips to the top, so just go ahead and sprinkle them on in. I'm using parchment paper at the bottom just to kind of help it from sticking, and it makes it easier to pull it right on out of the pan. All right, and there we have it. We'll check back in about 25 minutes.